How to delete highlights on Instagram. Highlights on Instagram are special sections on your profile that contain your most important or favorite Instagram stories. Highlights allow users to access specific stories from your past that you have saved and highlighted, and they remain visible on your profile even after the regular stories, which last for 24 hours, have expired. If you've created highlights and want to delete them, today we'll show you how to do it. Access your Instagram profile. Enter the highlight you want to delete. If you want to delete only one story from the highlight, find it and click on the 3 dots at the bottom. Select the Remove from Highlight option. Confirm by clicking Remove Photo. You can repeat the process as many times as you want to remove stories from the highlight. If you want to delete the entire highlight at once, press and hold the selected highlight. In the menu, choose Delete Highlight. Confirm by clicking Delete. Your highlight is removed from your profile. We hope you found the video helpful. Follow us for more useful tutorials.